Summary of the plant kingdom. Plant kingdom includes algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Algae. Algae are chlorophyll-bearing, simple, thalloid, autotrophic and largely aquatic organisms. Depending on the type of pigment possessed and the type of stored food, algae are classified into three classes, namely Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae, green algae, brown algae and red algae. Algae usually reproduce vegetatively by fragmentation, asexually by formation of different types of spores, and sexually by formation of gametes, which may show isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. Bryophytes. Bryophytes are plants which can live in soil but are dependent on water for sexual reproduction. Their plant body is more differentiated than that of algae. It is thallus-like and prostrate or erect and attached to the substratum by rhizoids. They possess root-like, leaf-like and stem-like structures. The bryophytes are divided into liverworts and mosses. The plant body of liverworts is thalloid and dorsiventral, whereas mosses have upright, slender axis bearing spirally arranged leaves. The main plant body of a bryophyte is gamete producing and is called a gametophyte. It bears the male sex organs called antheridia and the female sex organs called archegonia. The male and female gametes produced fuse to form zygote, which produces a multicellular body called sporophyte. It produces haploid spores. The spores germinate to form gametophytes. Next, pteridophytes. In pteridophytes, the main plant is a sporophyte, which is differentiated into true root, stem and leaves. These organs possess well-differentiated vascular tissues. The sporophytes bear sporangia, which produce spores. The spores germinate to form gametophytes, which require cool, damp places to grow. The gametophytes bear male and female sex organs, called antheridia and archegonia respectively. Water is required for transfer of male gametes to archegonium, where zygote is formed after fertilization. The zygote produces a sporophyte. Next, gymnosperms. The gymnosperms are the plants in which ovules are not enclosed by any ovary wall. After fertilization, the seeds remain exposed and therefore these plants are called naked seeded plants. The gymnosperms produce microspores and megaspores, which are produced in microsporangia and megasporangia, borne on the sporophylls. The sporophylls, microsporophylls and megasporophylls are arranged spirally on axes to form male and female cones respectively. The pollen grain germinates and the pollen tube releases the male gametes into the ovule, where it fuses with the egg cell in archegonia. Following fertilization, the zygote develops into embryo and the ovules into seeds. The angiosperms are divided into two classes, the dicotyledons and the monocotyledons.